Hello guys, as you all know, my name is Amaka Alex, the CV girl, and I have here with me Apostle Oloye. So sir, can you introduce yourself to us?
Orúkọ mi ni Adéyẹmí Diamond, Pastor Reverend Baba Oloye.
Wow.
Alílẹ̀talẹ̀, tabatalẹ̀ tán, atasánmọ̀.
Sir, your name is really too much. And today he will be preaching in Yoruba, and me here will be interpreting in English. For those of you that don't really understand in Yoruba, I know that I really understand Yoruba that much, but I'm going to try. So please stay tuned.
Wàá rí àánú gbà.
You will see glory.
Wàá rí àánú gbà.
You will see glory.
Ní ìgbà àkọ́kọ́.
In the first place,
Ó ní kíyèsí.
he said, be aware.
Mo ṣe alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ fún un.
I did the first one.
Ó ní kò tẹ́ òun lọ́rùn.
He said that he wasn't satisfied.
Mo tún ṣe ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì.
And I did the second one.
Ó ní kò tẹ́ òun lọ́rùn.
And I wasn't satisfied.
Mo ṣe ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹta.
And I did the third one.
Mo ṣe ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹrin.
And I did the fourth one.
Mo ṣe ẹ̀karùn-ún.
And I did the fifth one.
Tó fi dórí mẹ́fà.
Till he got to the sixth one.
Ìgbà yẹn ló ní ó tẹ́ mi lọ́rùn.
That is when he said, I'm satisfied.
Ó sì dé ìsàlẹ̀ dẹ́mdẹ́mú.
And he has gotten to the down of my bottom.
Báyìí ni mo ṣe fún ajá mi lóúnjẹ.
This is how I fed my dog. Sorry, sir. Was that what you were saying? You did the first one, you did the third one, to the fifth one, to the sixth one.
Ajá ni mo fún lóúnjẹ. Mo fún lákọ̀ọ́kọ́, fún lẹ́ẹ̀kejì, fún lẹ́ẹ̀kẹta.
Okay, guys. He fed the dog.
God have mercy.
Lẹ́ẹ̀mẹ́fà.
6 times.
Kó tó tẹ́ lọ́rùn.
Before he was feel satisfied.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Ògo ni fún Ọlọ́run lókè ọ̀run.
Or go to the Oba Heavenly. Oh my God, guys. Yes, sir.
Ògo ni fún Ọlọ́run lókè ọ̀run.
Ògo ni fún Ọlọ́run lókè ọ̀run.
English.
Okay.
Ògo ni fún Ọlọ́run lókè ọ̀run.
Praise God to the Almighty Jesus.
The glory is God in the heaven of everlasting.
Okay, now yes.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Onílẹ̀ talẹ̀ o bá talẹ̀ tán lẹ́lẹ̀ wà á tọ́jú ọ̀run o fẹ́ ta sọ́mọ̀ ọlọ́run o lára owó bàbá olóyè mo jẹ́ ń bẹ̀ o mi ò jẹ́ bá yín bú wọn olúwa mi o bàbá olóyè ẹ máa rìn wọn lóògo lọ ẹ máa lógo ẹ máa já sí ẹ wo ẹ máa lọ sínú òkú straight ẹ má dàgbọ́ dúró dáàdi yín ló fún yín fìlà yìí.
Ẹni pé?
Fìlà yìí dáàdi yín ló fún yín.
Grandpa ló fún mi.
Fìlà yìí ẹ rí yẹn.
Grandpa dáàdi mi ló fún mi.
ẹ̀kọ́ mẹ́rin lè fi ràn.
Dáàdi mi grandpa àwọn náà fún mi.
Ẹ kò sí wàhálà ẹ lọ talẹ̀ ẹ lọ gbọ́ lóògùn tuntun.
Ẹ ṣé.
ẹ ládẹ ẹ kọ́ lé o.
In the name of Father, Mother and their children.
Amen.
Ó sì sọ fún àwọn ọmọ Ísírẹ́lì wípé kíyèsí Olúwa ni olóṣọ́ àgùntàn. No. Olúwa ni olùṣọ́ àgùntàn.
Àwọn olóbi ọ̀nà.
Good afternoon.
Tọ́lání.
Ma, I'm going to Tunji's place.
Tunji's place.
Yes.
Who is Tunji?
My boyfriend.
I no go.
What happened now?
Shey your eyes blind, you no see wetin dey happen, you no see your phone, you no watch television. All these boys wey dey use their girlfriend do ritual, especially the people wey dem dey call Tunji, Ola, Sula, Tunde. I no go, I no gree. You know wetin happen? I know say you no be virgin again.
He shock you.
I know. I no go open my eyes make dem spoil my own for my present.
Funny people.
Shebi na fuck you wan go fuck there. Take my phone. Call Tunji. Make he come and fuck you for my bedroom here. I no go tell your daddy.
Oh, Abumu know too much.